Guys, this is Visharad and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, and today I am with very famous guest who is from Jaipur, Rajasthan. He's a motivational speaker, and moreover he is an spiritual personality. He is a follower of Nichiren Daishonin's Buddhism. अगर उसके बारे में आप नहीं जानते हैं तो हम कुछ समय में आप जान जाएंगे कि निचिन दाइशोनी बुद्धिज्म क्या है। सबसे पहले आई वेलकम मिस्टर कपिल भार्गव who is a motivational speaker who is training lot of youth from so many years, and he's from Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. So Kapil sir, welcome to my show.
Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to share my views, and so thank you once again to you.
Okay, Kapil sir, I just want to know, जब लोग डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हैं, है ना, और ऐसा प्रोफेशन चूज करना चाहते हैं जो बहुत ही सिक्योर हो, तो आपने एज एन मोटिवेशनल ट्रेनर बनने के लिए क्यों सोचा?
See, I'll just brief you about myself. I started my career with the corporates. I worked in many corporates and all. But over a period of time, I've seen there are a lot of stress. There are a lot of, which is going on. लोगों के दिल में, दिमाग में उथल पुथल चली रहती थी कि हम अपनी जिंदगी में, लाइफ में आगे क्या करें, क्या ना करें. सो दैट इज अ टाइम, एक फेज ऐसा आया, हर एक की लाइफ में भी आता है, कि जो हमारी लाइफ में होता है ना, इट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ द कर्मा वी कैरी फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम द 7 past generation of our ancestors. And one thing I have learned from our 2 generation, that is from my parents and grandparents, the values in life, तो जहां जब भी मैंने काम किया, whether in the top corporates, right, I have never deviated myself from the values, so मैंने कभी भी अपने ऊपर स्ट्रेस को कभी हावी नहीं होने दिया. There are 2 things in life, one is tension and one is pressure. The pressure has to be there, but tension should not be there. And everybody has got 24 hours, nobody has got more than a second, in 24 hours. So what I've been taught, you learn values from your mom and your struggle from your father. So that is what I've learned. I've inherited these values from my mother and my father, in spite of, being so much of pressure from a joint family. I've always seen a smile from my father, and both my father and my mother, So एक ही चीज था, my mother used to tell me कि जो भी तुमको काम करना है ना, राइट, उसको प्रायोरिटाइज करो और एक दिन उसकी प्लानिंग करो उसको बैठकर, तो कभी भी जिंदगी में कभी भी प्रेशर तो होगा, लेकिन स्ट्रेस कभी भी नहीं आएगा उस लाइफ को. तो मैंने जितने भी कॉर्पोरेट में काम किया, सब जगह पे मैंने देखा कि एट द लास्ट मोमेंट पीपल आर प्लानिंग कि हमको ये करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. तो मैंने हमेशा जो भी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हुआ या चाहे मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ भी हुआ, तो मैंने उसकी प्लानिंग अ डे बिफोर एडवांस में करी. तो फिर जब मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस था, मैं पूरे हिंदुस्तान में डिफरेंट लोकेशंस में डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी से मैंने काम किया, तो मैंने एक ही ख्याल मेरे मन के अंदर आया कि व्हाट शुड आई डू टू क्रिएट वैल्यूज इन द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल, सो उस समय मेरे दिमाग में, जहन में एक ही सवाल आया कि आगे क्या करना चाहिए. पर एक पीरियड एक ऐसा आया कि I lost my job, and then because I lost my job in the corporate and all, so there was a financial crunch, and then health also, I started having a problem with the health also. Then my children were growing up, so I also have a very, the relationship issues and all. So everything came at one go at the same time. So, but I never got, deviated from my values. So that is a time, my wife, somebody told my wife, कि there is a philosophy where everybody smiles, I said, wow, everybody smile during this stressful period and all. So she got introduced into this life-changing philosophy of Buddhism, and then she came back and told me, one thing, right from the child to the people from the old age, everybody keeps on smiling.
And ये कितने साल पुरानी बात है कि
ये बात पुरानी है 2010 की बात है. और उससे
पहले exactly this is a time when I was introduced to Nishin's Buddhism.
yes. तो उस समय जब मेरे को इस फिलॉसफी में आया, तो वहां पर और मैं इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ, और उसमें एक होता है ग्रेट डिस्कशन मीटिंग. सो आई सॉ देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फीमेल सिटिंग ओवर देयर, and I was the only man sitting over there. So, as far as my nature was concerned, wherever I went, I gave my 100%, But one thing I could not, analyze myself. I was a man of arrogance, which I never noticed this. And because of that, in spite of giving 100%, I suffered a lot. You know,
Okay.
yeah. So when I came into this philosophy, I saw the woman sitting there, and then the same night, I have a habit. This also was given by my mom. Retrospect yourself each day. Okay, what was your responsibility towards your family, and what was your responsibility towards first for the school when you used to go to the school, or then when you are working in your professional life, did you do justice with your job or not? So that is the day when I slept. Before that, I retrospected why these women are there in the great discussion meeting. So that is the time I really thought, 10:30 is the meeting started, so they must have prepared the breakfast and they must have prepared the lunch and all. So what am I doing? What am I doing? So I thought for them, just for the happiness of the family. So that is the day I decided. If they are doing so much, I will support the women of my family first. So in my family, I have my mom, my sister, and my wife. So that is the day I decided, irrespective of whatever happens in my life, I will not bow down to the circumstances. As circumstances are not the cause of defeat, you are defeated when you lose hope of winning. So then I started. When my seniors met me, they said, there are
Yeah,
three.
I'm sorry to stop. I'll talk about that. And but first,
Yeah.
before I did know, so when your job went down, then you were introduced to Nichiren Buddhism, right?
Yeah. When I lost my job, I was without job for 2 years. I was
Oh,
without job for 2 years, and I was struggling, on account of financial.
बात है कपिल सर.
Yeah, this is from 2008 to 2010.
रिसेशन आया था मतलब एक बार.
What do you think? Yeah.
एक बार जब रिसेशन का क्रंचेस आया था उस समय की बात है ये.
नहीं, उस
लगभग
रिसेशन में it was during the time of recession, but I lost my job because of my drawback only. Why?
Okay.
Because I've understood. Yeah.
Good thing that you realize it.
Yes. Yes. See, recession is nowhere. It is in a frame of mind. There are so many jobs are there, but if you have the will to do it, right? Where there is a will, there is a way. So I
Exactly.
realized for myself. Yeah, one thing I realized for myself, when I, why this has happened to my life, why every time, when I give my 100%, right? Why after some time, I keep on struggling, for my job with my bosses and all. So I realized my drawback that was that I was not a good listener. I was not a good listener. If you are my boss, if you are telling me something, I should listen to you. But what I used to do, just to prove him and just to prove my surroundings and the team of people, I used to interrupt in between that, oh yeah, I speak so well, I know everything. So what my colleague used to say, boss, he's already giving more than 100%. The day is going to come, he's going to take your place. So when I came in contact with my seniors and the leaders, I realized, yes, I was the main cause of all my miseries. What happened in my life. So that is the time. One of the friend of my wife, she told her about this philosophy. So 2 years was a major struggle in my life.
ओके. अब मुझे एक बात बताइए, हम कितने साल से आप लोगों को ट्रेन कर रहे हो एज अ ट्रेनर?
For the last 9 years.
From 9 years you are into a corporate training and youth training, all मतलब ये motivational training में.
Yeah, I give training. मैं जो training देता हूँ, that is my one mission is that कि whomsoever is there in front of me, whomsoever, right? The belief which has come, he is got a beautiful heart. Everybody has got a beautiful heart, whether he's a person from anywhere in the world, and heart always speak the truth. So when I understood this philosophy, this is the philosophy of the heart. I started understanding the other person from his or her perspective. I started putting myself in his shoes. So there, the person who is sitting there in front of me, I used to realize he's also the father of somebody, he's also the mother of somebody, he's also the son of somebody. If I have got a right to be happy, right, the person who's there in front of me is also got a right to be happy. So that is the day I decided I will create values in the lives of the people. So when I get up in the morning, I really pray, I really chant, ki whomsoever will come in my life, right, I will create value in his or her life. That is
Okay.
what.
जैसे आपने कहा चांट मीन्स, जितने भी व्यूअर्स हैं मैं उनको बताऊं कि द फिलोसफी ऑफ निशिन दाइशोनी और या निशिन दाइशोनी को जो भी फॉलो करते हैं, दे चांट नामी होरेंगे क्यों, है ना। तो सर इससे स्टार्ट करते हैं। और हाउ डू यू एक्सप्लेन नामी होरेंगे क्यों?
Namyo Horenge Kyo is Nam means I devote my life to this mystic law. Namyo Horenge Kyo. Right, I devote my life to the mystic law. One thing is there, again the values. Buddhism is nothing but all the values which you have learned from your parents. So my faith deepened when I correlated, Buddhism with the values given by my mother. This philosophy talks about ki whatever you do in your life, give your 100%, believe in yourself. So when I was introduced in this philosophy, that is the time my mother, she was in a very pathetic state. That is the time she told me कि तुमने ये start तो कर लिया, right? कोई भी चीज की शुरुआत करो, give your 100%, don't give up. So शुरू में तुमको लगेगा कि मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना, तुमने शुरू किया, तुम 100% उसके अंदर दो. So there is no zero, either it is 0 or it is 100%. There is nothing in between 50, 60 or 70%. So first my wife, then I was introduced to philosophy, and I was told you chant Namya Horenge Kyo, right? Even if you don't even know the meaning of Namya Horenge Kyo, you just chant. We are there, the seniors are there to support you. So then I was explained about the 3 pillars of this practice: Namya Horenge Kyo, Namya Horenge Kyo, Namya Horenge Kyo, right? And the 3 pillars are, the first pillar is to chant Namya Horenge Kyo, to believe in yourself that this practice works. This practice is also called a mystic law. Mystic law means that whatever you have lost, you will get much more, provided you have a belief in yourself. So the first pillar is Namya Horenge Kyo, right? To believe in yourself. Then when you have a belief in yourself, there is no parameter about said ki after 1 year or 2 years you will have a belief. It is a belief where nobody can judge. It is yourself can judge. And what is you? You are a mirror. So then second pillar is to faith practice for yourself and practice for others, happiness. Because this has got a very beautiful concept. The true happiness lies in the happiness of others, but you cannot build your own happiness on the unhappiness of others. This is a beautiful philosophy. So faith, practice and study. Without study, nothing is there. If I'm telling you about this philosophy, if I'm sharing my experience, it is without study, you cannot transform your life. So faith, practice and study, there are 3 pillars which you will generally hear from the people there in this philosophy. But I believe there is a very important another pillar, which is the 4th pillar, which is very, very important. And that is the pillar of the human revolution. Human revolution. So when you, so what is the meaning of human revolution? Human revolution does not mean ki we study so many books and all. Human revolution exactly means when you sleep in the night, when you close your eyes, before that you retrospect yourself. What is my responsibility towards my family? What is my responsibility towards my profession? What is my responsibility towards my Buddhist practice? So if I give you my example, in my family I have my mother, both my son I have my sister, I have my mother. So what is my retrospection? Am I a good son to my mother? Am I a good husband to my wife? Am I a good father to my children? Am I a good brother to my sister? That is human revolution. And then with one belief, before I close my eyes, today I have no regrets and no complaints. So that is what is the main pillar, is the 4th one. So all these 3 pillars are planted on this, the 4th pillar, which is very, very important. Because if you do not retrospect yourself and then you practice faith, practice and study, nothing will move your life. And then we will blame this practice, that this practice does not work.
When Nichiren Daishonin philosophy came to you, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि यू आर वेरी, मतलब जिसके पास भी नामी होरेंगे को पहुंचता है, दे आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट, दे हैव डन अ गुड कर्मा, एंड दैट द रीजन नामी होरेंगे को इज सर्चिंग देम. सो निचिन दाइशोनी को अगर आपको डिस्क्राइब करना हो, सो व्हाट डिड यू अंडरस्टूड इन दिस सो मेनी इयर्स? हाउ डू यू, अगर आपको शॉर्ट में, इफ यू हैव टू से समबडी व्हाट इज निचिन दाइशोनिस फिलॉसफी, हाउ विल यू से इट?
This philosophy is the philosophy of the heart. This philosophy is, I have understood from this philosophy, right, from Nichiren Daishonin and reading my mentor Sensei. You know, it is a live example of his actual proof. You know, it's that he do not blame your circumstances. Whatever happens in your life happens for the reason, and the reason is to win in life. Whatever happens in your life, it's because of the karma we carry from the 7 past generation of our ancestors. So this is what Nichiren Daishonin philosophy senses teaching, and the values given by my parents matches the way, it says about lead by an example, and everything starts from the family. Rather, if any problem comes out in the family, we blame the people in our family कि तुम्हारी वजह से ये कुछ हो गया, तुम्हारी वजह से ये हो गया. So lead by an example. Lead by an example. And it's not, what is the role of a leader? It's not to give a speech or not to give a भाषण वगैरह कुछ देने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's to lead by an example, so that people in your family rely on you. See, couple is there, so if something would be carried out, he's there to take action. So what is the meaning of manager? Manager is to plan, monitor, and control. So if there are 5 or 6 people are there, 5 or 6 people are there in a family, so plan, sit them, and brainstorm and come out with a consensus with the philosophy of the beautiful of the heart. So this talks about what I've learned from that standalone spirit. Do not, if you want to say something to the other person, don't put your gun on somebody else's shoulder. Do not judge a person on the face value. That is what I have learned from this philosophy.
Okay. The philosophy is practiced under the organization called SGI. In India, it is called practiced under the BSS, Bharat Sukha Gakkai International. So when you see to the when I read, he has received more than 300 honored doctorate in his lifetime, and more than that. So, and his life has been very beautiful journey through this philosophy. So, आप जब दाइसाकु इकिदा को देखते हो तो आपको क्या फील होता है?
Sensei Ikeda को जब मैं देखता हूँ, right, I feel so happy and joyous. He's always there in my heart. The feeling is that today he's crossed the age of 93 years. He's got a beautiful heart, very beautiful heart. So I always dream of him. I always follow him blindly because he's led a life of an example. He's led by an example.
Yeah, and लोगों को एक PhD मिलने के लिए लाइफ टाइम लग जाता है. मतलब उनकी अचीवमेंट इतनी है कि around the world people knows him. Around all the universities and organization has given him more than 300 honored degrees. More than degrees, he has created such a beautiful life for million of people. That is much more important. कपिल सर, आप मुझे एक बात बताओ. अब ये 10 साल की फिलॉसफी प्रैक्टिस होने के बाद, when you see back, है ना, what is your experience in very short? मीन्स कुछ ऐसा इंसिडेंट जो आपको, मतलब लोगों को लगता हो कि जीवन में ये नहीं होगा, और वो आपके जीवन में चैंटिंग के थ्रू विद दिस फिलॉसफी इट कंप्लीटेड वेरी नाइसली.
या आई विल टेल यू अबाउट कि कहते हैं ना कि लाइफ में जब प्रॉब्लम आती है ना, तो इंसान क्या है, हार मान जाता है. अरे ये मेरी लाइफ में क्यों हुआ. देन ही स्टार्टेड ब्लेमिंग. क्या है, फैमिली मेंबर्स को ब्लेम करता है कि मैं यार क्यों इस परिवार में पैदा हो गया, क्यों मैं इस सिटी में पैदा हुआ. बट इस फिलॉसफी में आने के बाद, राइट, I was very much touched by the writings of Ikeda Sensei. When I was studying, when there was a conversation between Sensei Toda and Daisaku Ikeda, Daisaku, how many times do you renew your determination? And the determination is I will always be in a highlight state. So when you are in a highlight state, you will not bow down to the circumstances. There is nobody there in the world who has got a problem. So what is our objective when we are in this philosophy? That our problem should not turn into suffering. हमारी लाइफ में तो प्रॉब्लम आएंगी. ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं है पूरे विश्व के अंदर जिसकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सो व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड इज कि प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, एंड सेंसे क्या बोलते थे कि प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो उसको बुलाओ. So I used to feel very joyous. I'll share you about my major victories in my life, in the lives of what we experienced in our families, and through this practice we overcome that, and that is all because of the past karma which came in my life. So the first is refreshing your determination. That is, I will always be in a high life state. I pray for the long life of my parents. If they are not alive, right? So pray that wherever they are born, they will encounter this philosophy. So my father passed away in 2009. I have my mom. I pray for a long life, And because of my parents, I have come in this world and encountered this philosophy. So
Exactly.
the depth of gratitude owed to one's mother and father is as vast as the ocean. If you do not do anything this lifetime, you're just like a mere drop of water in the ocean. You may get happiness in your life, that is through the property or
What?
money and all everything, but ultimately what is our goal? That is happiness, and that is called Kozun Rufu. So the third is I pray for the long life of my mentor, Daisa Keda, Mrs. Ikeda.
People don't know Kosan Rufu क्योंकि जो भी viewers देखेंगे Kosan Rufu means world peace. So people who practice Nishin Daishonin Buddhism वो कोसन रूफू के लिए प्रैक्टिस करते हैं मीन्स वो अपने लिए ही नहीं चैंट करते वो पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए विश्व शांति के लिए चैंट करते हैं.
Yeah, yes. So in this context, I'll tell you when we are talking about Kosan Rufu, that is the peace is born in a mind of a person, and the war is also born in a mind of a person. आज जितनी भी वर्ल्ड वॉर फर्स्ट और सेकंड हुई, it is just one man decision. So everything starts from the family. So if I think कि मेरे फैमिली का मेंबर ये सही बोल रहा है ना, पर मेरे माइंड सेट अगर ये कह रहा नहीं ये गलत है, right? So I will not agree with that person. So everything starts from the family. It starts from me. So when I decide from the core of my heart, the person who's there has got a beautiful heart. That confrontation will turn into a dialogue, and dialogue is very, very important. So what is more important? If in my sessions I say one thing, if you want to grow in your life, overcome your fear of hesitation. So if you are unable to speak at the right moment, at the right time, at the right place, at your place, at home, right? So you are gone. Your parents will say, "Kash mera beta sahi samay pe bol pata." When you are married, your wife will say, "कि मेरा husband तो बोलता ही नहीं है." Your children will say, "My father does not speak at the right moment." And so it reflects down the line the society and in the organization where you work. So if there is a communication gap, there will be a lot of confrontation will develop.
Great. So कुछ ऐसे major victories बताइए आप.
Yeah, major victory. I'll tell you about the first major victory which I experienced was the victory of my mother. So I have shared so many victories starting from November 2011 till date. Every day month I am sharing my victory and I am reporting my victory to my mentor, and I have planted the seeds of Buddhism to more than 160 my friends as Shakabuku. And through my training session, because I'm a trainer for media, I've already imparted training to Rajasthan Police, corporates, and so many. I have planted the seeds of Buddhism in the lives of more than 6 lakhs of people, all across, So my major victory is when I was introduced in January 2010. That time my mother was bedridden. She was totally blind because on account of cataract, the doctor said that she will never see forever in her life, So she used to walk with a walker because she had a hip bone fracture in 2000, So she used to walk with a walker, and she was a patient of arthritis, rheumatic arthritis for 10 years, totally bedridden. Neither she can see, neither she can move, neither she can walk. So she lost all hope of her life. At one time, she used to support my father in business. She used to travel all over India. So I still remember the mother is the one who can judge the child's behavior. Even if the child grows up to the age of 50, 40, 70, my mother is a mother. So one day she called me after 1 month and she said कि तुम ये जो करते हो ना, this chanting जो करते हो, right? ये क्या है? And I'm going to tell you something that I am seeing a change in your attitude. तो मैं भी ये करना चाहती हूँ. तो मैंने कहा yes मम्मी बिल्कुल, you please do it. And see, the biggest pilgrimage for a son and for a daughter is when her parents start chanting Namya Haringekya. This is the biggest pilgrimage. Yes. So मैंने मम्मी को बोला, I shared one census guidance from NHR volume 12, when it comes from the well-being of the child, the prayer of mother never go unanswered. So I explained to her in Hindi this thing, तो मेरे को बोलने लगी कि मैं लेट के कर सकती हूँ. मैंने कहा बिल्कुल, आप लेट के chanting कर सकती है, नम हरे क्यों. I still remember on 3rd March 2010, she started chanting for the first time 3 Daimakus, Namya Haringe Kyo, with the HNN that this is for my children, and for the happiness of my children. The law is so mystic. See her belief कि within 15 days वो अपने बिस्तर पे उठ के बैठ गई and she started chanting Namya Haringe Kyo. She started chanting. March she chanted, April she chanted, and one day she told me कि I want to तुम एक काम करो कि जिन डॉक्टर ने मेरी आंखों को देखा उनको एक बार मेरी आंखों को दिखाओ. तो जब हम उस डॉक्टर के पास गए जिन्होंने पहले मना कर दिया था, उन्होंने एग्जामिन की उनकी आंखों को, और आंखों को एग्जामिन करने के बाद बोला कि मैं इनकी ऑपरेशन करने को तैयार हूं. अब विद इन अ गैप ऑफ 15 days and in the month of May, her both the eyes cataract was operated, and the operation was very successful. And see the power of this practice, the power of Namya Haringe Kyo. I keep on sharing, the guidances with her. She started walking with the walker, and she used to go to the washroom also, where at one stage we used to carry her in our lap and take her to the bathroom. So that is the biggest victory, the victory in the life. And then she started chanting 1 million, chanting 3 hours 20 minutes every day. She chanted for at stretch for 200 days. She chanted, So what happened is that this was the first victory. And then when my family members saw the change in me, the first, my son came to me, my elder son, he came to me and he said, I also would like to encounter this philosophy. So my elder son that time was 19 years of age and all. So he encountered this philosophy. But my younger son, right, he was a very arrogant boy. So one day he came to me, कहते ना कि when you practice progresses, the 3 obstacle and 4 devil will come in a very confusing form. And the biggest obstacle, and the biggest obstacle is the devil of the 6th heaven. So he came to me and he said, you stop this philosophy, you stop chanting. And he said, whenever I come here, you and mom keep on chanting. Either you stop this practice or I'll leave the house. So I want to retaliate, hey, is this a behavior? But since I was in the philosophy, I've understood. I took guidance from my senior. So when I took guidance from the senior, he said, children are the reflection of parents. Just imagine what were you at his age. So when I recalled back, I was much more arrogant than him. So he told me, if you want to change him, change yourself first. So he started, throwing, I'll say in the words, throwing tantrums on me, but I kept cool. So one day he told his elder brother, my elder son, he said, I don't know, पापा को क्या हो गया, पापा तो कुछ जवाब ही नहीं देते, गुस्सा ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो अब पापा को बताना मत, ठीक है ना, मैं भी इस प्रैक्टिस को ज्वाइन करूंगा. और यूथ डिवीजन जो लीडर है उनको बुलाना, लेकिन इन द एब्सेंस माय फादर. So I was so happy कि on 3rd May 2010, right, I saw my sister. She's a doctor in chemistry. She and my elder son, they were sitting there and they became my Shakabuku. So within a span of 3 months, my mother, my wife, my sister, both my son, it became a Kozen Rufu family. So this was the greatest victory. It was the greatest victory.
यही मुश्किल होता है कि बहुत सारे केसेस में आप चैंट करते हो, the family doesn't chant, they deny it, they deny the philosophy. And biggest achievement is मम्मी आपकी जिस तरह से खड़ी हो गई है ना, and she started chanting in a stretch of 3 hours 20 minutes है ना, उसके बाद पूरी family. So it's a great victory, it's a great victory.
Yes.
Great pleasure talking to you, Kapil sir. It was great. Like people who see this video, जो भी हमें देख रहे होंगे, शायद मैक्सिमम लोग वही देखेंगे जो SGI वाले या जो लोग नम्य हरेंगे चैंट करते हैं. दे विल बी रियली मोटिवेटेड, है ना. और दिस इज वेरी वंडरफुल फिलॉसफी. दिस इज नथिंग अ रॉकेट साइंस, है ना. कोई जादू नहीं है नम्य हरेंगे को, ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है. बहुत लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं. इट्स अ कर्मा, है ना. जिस तरीके से आपने कर्मा अकुमुलेट किया है, उस कर्मा को कैसे आप अच्छी तरीके से करेक्ट करें. आपके पास्ट कर्मा को आपको पता नहीं है कि आपने क्या क्या किया है,
Yeah.
but you can make it good. And we all will suffer one day, and then we will realize that there is something wrong happened in our past, so we need to correct it. और
Yeah.
शायद इसीलिए हम सब डॉटेड लाइन के साथ कनेक्टेड हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. So
Very true.
Kapil sir, it was great talking to you. I wish that you keep on creating Kosan Rufu everywhere, and your Kosan Rufu family achieve more happiness and spread happiness in this society.
Thank you, and I will conclude with one line. Ki my wish
Yeah.
is to cherish the dream of a mentor, to reach out to every corner of the world and create values in the lives of the people, because there are a lot of suffering, and there is a lot of suffering. The suffering. My wish is that ki everybody has got a problem that they should not suffer, and it is only by chanting Name Haringe Kyo, believing in yourself, we can overcome our karma. So thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Sir, God bless you. Take care. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.